what you're going to get is the real me, because that's all I've got to offer. I'm loud, I'm Southern, I'm opinionated, I'm about as raw and real as they come. I have 2 brands at QVC, Belle by Kim Gravel and Belle Beauty. I can't pick a favorite. They're like picking your favorite child. It just depends on the day and the month of the year, you know? Women have such a power of influence. Beauty is on the inside, but for a lot of us women, if we don't see it on the outside first, it's hard for us to believe it.
You're beautiful. Thank you.
So being able to connect at that level and talk about our family, talk about our friends, talk about our struggles, talk about our saddlebags and our under-eye circles, to know I'm not alone. You know, we're all in this together. It's the connection. I'm not saying I have a lot of expertise to give, but I do know how to bring out the best in others. I can look at people and really see their inner beauty. I can see their potential. Us women, we need each other and to encourage each other. So in that, I am an expert. To be able to look in the mirror and love what you see, then that is